Hey y'all, today I want to show y'all one of my favorite kitchen appliances that I use almost every day in my house. It's the Emeril Lagasse air fryer, but it's more than just an air fryer. It's an air fryer, a toaster, a slow cooker, a broil, and an oven. I also use this as a second oven in my household. It works very well during the holidays when you need a second oven. It comes with many tools. It comes with a basket and a tray and a drip tray. It also comes with a grilling plate. I like that it has glass on the front for easy see-through while your food is cooking. It is very easy to use, and it works very well in a small kitchen if you have very limited space. Highly recommend checking out this multi-purpose air fryer.
This is Emeril Lagasse's air fryer. Convection oven. You just turn the knob here to set the temperature and time, and it has all these different settings, so it's really kind of idiot proof, which I hope you're not offended by. So it has these great French doors that open. It's beautiful. We've got a rack, a crisper tray, a drip tray. And it does rotisserie, pastry, slow cook, vegetables. And everything that I have cooked on it has turned out so good. We don't use our microwave or oven anymore. And it's just beautiful. It looks great on our counter. We love it. Thanks for watching.
Today with me, I have this gorgeous French door opening air fryer, and I have so much to tell you about it. So I'm going to start right here at the top in this gorgeous LED display. It has so many settings that are already there for you, such as fries, toast, chicken, pizza, grilling, so much, and it comes with so many accessories as well. So you can check it out inside. So let's take a look in there, and that is where we're going to find our first accessory, the drip tray. So this slides all the way out, and you can absolutely clean this off when it gets full of crumbs, cheese, whatever you're baking in there can always be cleaned because the drip tray is there. And I think that is an absolute must-have for me. And I also love how you close one door and the other comes with. Same thing when you open it, so you can just pull one of the handles. You don't have to pull two.